Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are doing absolutely amazing. So, this is going to be the video for the second round of revision where I'll help you to revise the subject CA Inter Advanced Accounts in 4 to 5 days. Now, this is possible only if you have revised the whole subject before in at least 8 to 10 days. अगर आपने 8 to 10 days में ये subject पहले revise किया हुआ है, only then you will be able to revise the whole subject in 4 to 5 days. Now, there are some pre-requirements which you need to follow if you want to revise your means if you want to go for second revision. So the first pre-requirement is that only that you have covered the whole subject before. You have done the revision, not just the classes, you have done the whole revision at least once. Number two is that you should have a list of marked questions that you have marked or that you have selected that you are going to solve those questions in a written format, because it is obviously not possible that in just 4 to 5 days you solve 100% of the questions, right? It is not possible. So I'm hoping that you have marked some questions or your teacher has helped you mark few questions which are very very important and which should be compulsorily solved in a written format. So you have to solve those marked questions in a written format, and other questions you will just overview them. Okay. Number three is you should have one concept register or concept notes or something like that, by reading which you can revise all the concepts. So if you follow all these pre-requirements, then only move to the second revision. In case you do not follow any of the pre-requirement, then please first fulfill that and after that only begin with the second round of revision. अगर ये जो conditions मैंने बताई हैं, इनमें से अगर कोई भी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप पे कॉन्सेप्ट नोट्स नहीं है, तो प्लीज़ कॉन्सेप्ट नोट्स अरेंज कीजिए. अगर आपको लगता है क्वेश्चंस मार्क नहीं है, तो प्लीज़ एक लिस्ट बना लो सारे के सारे चैप्टर्स में कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस आपको सॉल्व करने हैं, बिकॉज आपके लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है कि आप 100% ऑफ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पाओ. एंड एक और रिक्वायरमेंट थी कि फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ रिविजन कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए, तो उसी के बाद में पॉसिबल होगा एक सब्जेक्ट को 4 to 5 डेज में कवर करना, राइट? ऑल्सो, in the first round of revisions, in every subject, I have given you two alternatives. That means you can study two subjects a day, one theory and one practical. However, when you are moving on to the second round of revision, it is personally not recommended that you should pick any other subject. मेरी तरफ से पर्सनली ये आपको सजेस्टेड नहीं होगा कि आप कोई भी और सब्जेक्ट इसके साथ में पिक करो, क्योंकि अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो 4 to 5 डेज में ये सब्जेक्ट रिवाइज करना पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. ऑल्सो आपका माइंड एक ही सब्जेक्ट पे फोकस करने के लिए ट्रेन नहीं हो पाएगा, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज दिस सब्जेक्ट अगेन in 3 days time. Yeah, जैसे ये तो फर्स्ट पेपर है, you will get more number of days. However, in other papers you will get only 1.5 day. That is why it is very very important to train your mind that you are going to study only one subject for 12 to 14 hours or whatever the time you are studying, right? So that is why it is important to help your mind to focus only on one subject at a time, बिकॉज माइंड में बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही होती हैं कि ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, एंड इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टे फोकस्ड. तो सेकेंड राउंड ऑफ रिविजन में हम केवल एडवांस अकाउंट्स पढ़ेंगे. अगर आप एक बोथ ग्रुप के स्टूडेंट हो एंड आपको ऑडिट बहुत ज़्यादा डरा रहा है, तो उसको आप देख सकते हो फॉर 1 आवर, वो भी एंड ऑफ द डे में, बट नॉट इन बिटवीन. आपका सबसे ज़्यादा फोकस होना चाहिए एडवांस अकाउंट्स पे ही while you're revising your second round of revision, while you're doing your second round of revision, right? Now, what should be the sequence? To see, because this is a second round of revision, that I'm assuming that you will revise the subject very very speedily. So I've kept one big chapter, that is branch accounting as well as buyback of securities, as well as these two AS number 2 and AS number 16. These are doable, these are not very lengthy AS, and this chapter is lengthy, branch accounting, but buyback is also not that lengthy. Okay, so you have to read the concepts and you have to solve the questions in written format which you have marked, and other questions you just have to overview. Okay. Then on day number 2, you're going to pick another big chapter, that will be your accounting for reconstruction, and after that you are going to complete your two AS number 10 and AS number 26. Now, if you feel that time is still remaining, you can cover few more AS on day number 2, right? Then on day number 3, you are going to pick another big topic, and that will be your consolidated financial statements, and these two small topics, framework for preparation and presentation, as well as process for formulation of accounting standards. Okay, then on day number 4 you have to pick another big chapter that will be amalgamation, and you have to do the another set of AS whichever you feel you can complete along with amalgamation. Like this is very small. AS 17, AS 18 is also small, then AS 4 is also small, so you can complete these 3 A's. Okay, then on day number 5 you can complete with the remaining portion, that will be your cash flow statements as well as these other A's. So in this way if you will follow, then you can complete your syllabus in 4 to 5 days revision. Obviously it is not possible to solve all the questions in written format. That is why again and again I'm saying that you should solve only marked questions and just have a look on the other questions. You just have to overview the other questions. Okay, so this was it for the second round of revision, and I hope that this helps you. For any other query, feel free to comment down. Still, if you feel that you are unprepared and you need someone who can mentor you, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी preparation नहीं हो पा रही है या मुझे कोई personally guide करने के लिए चाहिए, then you can definitely register to my mentorship program. अभी भी कुछ seats available हैं. I'll definitely guide you. ठीक है ना? तो मैं टेलीग्राम पे शेयर करती रहूँगी आपके साथ में जो फीडबैक्स मुझे मिलेंगे मेंटोरशिप के, तो उससे भी आपको पता लगेगा कि कितनी स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प हो रही है. तो इफ़ यू वांट टू रजिस्टर इन द मेंटोरशिप प्रोग्राम, उसका लिंक गूगल फॉर्म का मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रही हूँ, तो यू कैन रजिस्टर एंड प्लीज़ हरी अप बिकॉज लास्ट डेट जो रजिस्ट्रेशन की है वो 24th है. उसके बाद में आई एम नॉट टेकिंग अप एनी रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर जनवरी 2025. ओके, so this was it for the video. For any other queries, feel free to comment down, and all the very best. Keep rocking.